This episode delves into the story of Accellta, an Israeli company founded 12 years ago with a mission to revolutionize the cultivation and manufacturing of stem cells. Stem cells are cells that can differentiate into various specialized cell types and have the unique capability of undergoing unlimited cell divisions. For that reason, stem cells carry vast potential for various applications in the biotech and FoodTech industries. Accellta's unique proprietary 3D suspension culture platform addresses the critical scalability bottleneck that has long hindered progress in this field. It ensures large-scale production and affordable end product encompassing chemically defined media and proprietary stable cell lines derived from humans, aquatic animals, and farm animals. Since 2018, the company has demonstrated stable profitability resulting from various services and products they provide and trusted partnership with global industry leaders like Stem Cell Technologies, Ajinomoto, and Hitachi Chemicals. Driven by innovation, Accellta has secured over 120 patents across 11 patent families, solidifying its position as an important player in the stem cell space. The company is now seeking $5 million to propel scaling up capabilities for the evolving food tech industry. If you're an investor looking for a new opportunity in the food tech space, this podcast is for you. So Michal, of all the food tech products you're developing, which one will generate the largest revenue? How much do you think you will sell in 5 years from today? And who would be your main customers?
The fat for dairy product is going to be the largest one, the one that will grow faster than other and manufacture, the highest revenues. In 5 years from now, our aim is to sell this product in about $80 million per year. And the numbers will grow as our manufacturing capabilities will grow. And the main customer is large food manufacturer that are focusing on dairy products, a global one.